Hey Sarah, I've been meaning to go grocery shopping. Do you want to come along?
Sure, I could use some groceries too. What do you need to buy?
Well, I'm out of the basics like milk, bread, and eggs. Plus, I want to grab some veggies and maybe some snacks.
Sounds good. Where do you usually shop?
I usually go to the supermarket a few blocks away. It's convenient, and they have a good selection.
Great. What should we bring with us?
Here's a checklist I usually follow. 1. Reusable bags. I try to bring my own bags to reduce plastic waste. It's eco-friendly. 2. Shopping list. It helps me stay organized and ensures I don't forget anything. 3. Wallet and cash. I bring my wallet with some cash and cards in case they don't accept cards. 4. Mask. It's still a good idea to have one on hand in case the store requires it. 5. Phone. I keep my phone handy in case I need to check for any discounts or promotions. 6. Coupons. If you have any coupons or store rewards, don't forget to bring them.
Got it. Let's make sure we have everything and head out.
Okay, first things first, let's grab a cart.
Do we need a cart for just a few things?
It's easier to manage everything in a cart, and you never know, we might end up buying more than we planned.
Fair point. So, where do we start?
I usually start with the fresh produce section. Let's go there first.
Wow, there are so many fruits and vegetables. How do you choose?
It can be overwhelming, but here are some tips. Check for freshness. Look for items that are not bruised, damaged, or moldy. Seasonal produce. They're often fresher and more affordable. Organic versus conventional. Decide if you want organic or conventionally grown products. Organic can be pricier.
Thanks, that helps. I think I'll get some apples and carrots.
Good choices. I'll grab some lettuce and tomatoes for salads.
Okay, we have fruits and veggies. What's next?
Let's head to the dairy aisle for milk and eggs. They're usually at the back.
Do we need any special type of milk?
I usually get 2% milk, but it depends on your preference. There's whole milk, skim milk, and plant-based milk like almond or soy.
I'll stick with 2% too. And eggs?
I go for large eggs, but there are also organic, free-range, and brown eggs to choose from. Looks like we have everything. Let's head to the checkout.
Do we put everything on the conveyor belt?
Yes, place all your items on the conveyor belt, and the cashier will scan them.
Hi there. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
That wasn't too bad. Do we need to bag everything ourselves?
Usually, they provide bags, and you can bag your items yourself. Some places charge for bags, so it's good to have your reusable ones handy.
Got it. Thanks for showing me the ropes, Alex.
No problem, Sarah. Grocery shopping can be pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Plus, it's a good skill to have.
I agree. And it's nice to have some company while doing it.
Definitely. Now, let's head home and enjoy our groceries.
You know, I learned a lot today about grocery shopping. I used to find it so daunting.
I'm glad I could help. It's not so bad once you get the hang of it, right?
Absolutely. And it's a lot healthier and more budget-friendly than always eating out.
That's true. Plus, you can cook your favorite meals at home.
Speaking of which, what are you planning to make with all these groceries?
Well, I'm thinking of making a nice salad with the lettuce and tomatoes, and maybe some scrambled eggs with toast for breakfast.
That sounds delicious. I might make a stir-fry with these veggies and some chicken.
Sounds like a plan. And for movie night, we have our snacks ready.
Thanks again for taking me shopping, Alex. It was a great learning experience.
Anytime, Sarah. Grocery shopping can be a fun and rewarding experience, and I'm always here to help.